Hello and welcome to this tutorial about EBSCO. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a project in My EBSCO and how to add records to a project. To access projects, you will click on Projects on the left-hand side under My Dashboard. Once you've clicked on that, you will see any existing projects, and to add a new one, you will click on the blue plus button here. You will give your project a name. For this example, let's go with business and video games. We can add an optional due date. Let's pretend this is due 2 weeks from now on the 30th. We can also add an optional description. We can write research needed for paper. When you're satisfied, you can click on Create. Now that the project has been created, let's take a look inside. You can see we have no saved records or searches. So let's change that by going to the database. We have conducted a search for business and video games, and these are our results. Let's pretend we want to save this ebook, 1UP. We can do this by moving to hover over the 3 dots here and clicking on it, and you can see the different options. We will click Add to Project. If you have multiple projects, you will choose from the drop-down menu which one to add it to. We will put it in Business and Video Games and click Add Now. So we can see it has been added. Let's say we want to add the second result as well. Again, we'll go hover over the 3 dots, click Add to Project, select from the drop-down menu Business and Video Games, and click Add Now. We can also save this search. We can do this by scrolling up to find the 3 dots up here, right before the search results. We can click on that and click on Save Search, which will redirect us to another page. Here is our search name. You can rename it if you prefer. You can add a description. I will say use this for business and video games. And we can scroll down until we see the Save button. Once we've clicked on that, we can see that our search has been saved, and we can find it under Saved. Let's close this and access the saved list, which is underneath projects on your dashboard. We will move from records to searches, and we can see it is the first result. To add this to our project, we will move to the 3 dots here, click Add to Project, choose from the drop-down menu, and click Add Now. Let's take a look at the results saved in the project folder. Let's head back to Projects, click on Business and Video Games, and we can see the 2 records. For the records and searches, we have our search string. To delete any record from your folder, simply go to the 3 dots on the right and click Delete, and it will automatically be removed from your project. I hope this tutorial has taught you how to create a project and add records to it. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.